for exploration, learning about plants and animals. Lyla was excited to visit the big nature park near her home. She had heard there were many interesting plants and animals to discover. As she walked along the path, she noticed a beautiful butterfly resting on a flower. She knelt down to observe its colorful wings. Lyla took out her nature journal to sketch the butterfly. She wanted to remember all the details for her school project. Moving further into the park, Lyla found a stream with tadpoles swimming in it. She watched them wiggle through the water. She carefully drew the tadpoles in her journal, labeling their different parts. Lyla was fascinated by their tiny tails and round bodies. Lyla then came across a large oak tree. She noticed a squirrel collecting acorns and scurrying up the tree. She decided to draw the squirrel in her journal too. Lyla loved how the squirrel's bushy tail curled up as it climbed. Walking further, Lyla found a small pond surrounded by cattails. She spotted frogs hopping in and out of the water. Lyla sat by the pond and began to draw the frogs. She carefully noted their green skin and long legs. As she continued her walk, Lyla saw a family of ducks waddling by. She smiled at their adorable ducklings. She decided to follow the ducks for a while, watching how they interacted with each other. The ducklings followed their mother closely. Lyla found a sunny spot to sit and draw the ducks. She wanted to capture the way the sunlight reflected off their feathers. Moving on, she came across a field of wildflowers. The colors were vibrant and beautiful. She decided to collect a few flowers to press in her journal. Lyla loved the idea of preserving their beauty. Lyla noticed a beehive hanging from a tree branch. She stood at a safe distance, watching the busy bees work. She drew the beehive and the bees in her journal, noting how they flew in and out. Lyla was fascinated by their teamwork. As the day went on, Lyla discovered a hidden garden filled with unique plants. She couldn't wait to explore it. She carefully examined each plant, noting their different shapes and sizes. Some had bright flowers, while others had interesting leaves. Lyla sketched the most unique plants in her journal. She loved learning about the different species. As the sun began to set, Lyla packed up her things and headed home. She couldn't wait to share her discoveries with her family. Do you like the story? Hope you can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more stories.